Hello and welcome to this video on my channel. My name is Busi and today we are doing a tour of a 3-bedroom 2.5 bathroom house in Oakville. As this video is being recorded, they go for anything between 2,800 to 3,200, so just make sure you're checking what they cost at the time that you happen to come across this video. And we are on the main floor, so we're on the main floor. The door from the outside is just to my left, and as you walk in, you'll see that you have an area where you can hang your coats and you can put your shoes if you're coming in. If you don't know, in Canada, generally you don't wear shoes inside the house, so you'll be walking wearing your socks, or you can have soft shoes that you're wearing inside the house, but you're not generally gonna wear your outside shoes inside. So this is where you'd put them if you're just coming into the house. This door goes towards the one car garage for this house. It has a 1-car garage. Follow me. This is an open area and space that you have in this house. And then if we open this door right here, that's a sink that you can use, and you have a bit of storage if you look towards the right hand side. And then through this door is your furnace. So this is like your furnace where all of the magic happens when it comes to how your house is heated. So follow me upstairs. So as you come up the stairs, you are walking into the kitchen. All appliances you see are usually included with your rental or even purchase if you're looking to buy a home. Directly opposite the kitchen is your living room. The wall across has all your TV connections. When you walk from your kitchen, there's a mini passage with 2 doors. This is where the washing and drying machine of this house is located. Carrying down the passage, you see the thermostat on the wall to control the temperature in the house. Then there's the 0.5 of the bathrooms with a powder room. I've never actually come into one of these to powder anything, but anywho, there is the powder room. And right next to the powder room is a bit of storage space. I've heard some refer to it as a pantry. That is a bit weird for me, especially in this house, considering how close the powder room is to it. But you can use this space for whatever makes the most sense for you. Then going off the storage space is the dining area. This is an open plan. As you can see, you can walk around the stair area on this floor to get around. Hopefully you can see that. Now let's go upstairs. So you just saw the main floor that has the kitchen, the living area, and the dining area. We're now upstairs where there's the 3 bedrooms and the other 2 full bathrooms. So to my left is where you're going to see one of the bathrooms. And then on this side of me, you'll see we have storage. We have a storage area where you can put your stuff, your linen, whatever, sheets, towels. And then we have one of the bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. It's I'd say the middle largest of the bedrooms. And over there we have the closet. So if we open the closet, you can see how it looks inside. And then we'll go to the smallest room. And this is the smallest room that this house has. As you can see, it has a much smaller closet if you look over there. And if we open this closet, you see that the space inside is much smaller. And then the last room I'm going to show you in this house is the main bedroom, which has an ensuite, bathroom, and it has a mini walk-in closet. So come along with me. And this is the main bedroom. It's much larger. As you can see, it's a very spacious room. And right over on this end, we have the ensuite bathroom. Come inside, don't be shy, join me in here. So we have the ensuite bathroom The bathrooms all have like a shower that's integrated with the bath. And then we have the walk-in closet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you'd like to see in future videos of tours of the inside of homes, and I will see you on the next video.
Thank you for watching.